Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore TikTok shop sales using Seller Center Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore TikTok shop sales using Seller Center Analytics, start by logging into your TikTok Seller Center account. Navigate to the Analytics dashboard. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your shop's performance metrics. Select the Sales tab to access detailed sales data. Review key performance indicators such as total sales, order volume, and customer activity. Identify any recent drops or trends in your sales numbers. Next, compare your data against previous periods to pinpoint specific issues. Look for patterns in customer behavior that may explain fluctuations. Once you identify problem areas, focus on your product listings. Examine product descriptions, prices, and images to ensure they are appealing and accurate. Consider updating your descriptions to include relevant keywords. Next, analyze customer feedback and reviews. Pay attention to any recurring complaints or suggestions. Address these issues promptly to improve customer satisfaction. Next, check your marketing strategies within TikTok. Evaluate your promotional campaigns and their performances. Adjust your targeting to reach a more relevant audience. This interaction can significantly influence customer trust and interest. Additionally, monitor your competitors' strategies for inspiration. Look for successful approaches that you can adapt to your own shop. Finally, implement changes based on your findings and monitor their impact. Keep tracking your analytics regularly to ensure continuous improvement. Set specific goals to achieve and review them consistently. By following these steps, you can effectively restore sales in your TikTok shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.